In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know how to add a sleek video section to any page and replace the placeholder clip with your own file, all using Squarespace's built-in editor. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and navigating to the page where you want the video to appear. Move your cursor between existing sections until you see the Add Section button appear, then click it. This opens the section library, which is a gallery of pre-designed layouts you can drop right into your page without building from scratch. From the categories in the library, choose Videos. This filters the layouts to one specifically designed for showcasing video. Whether you want a bold hero with a headline, a clean block for a single clip, or a layout that pairs video with supporting text and buttons. Pick a pre-made layout that matches your goal and brand style. As soon as you select it, Squarespace adds the new section to your page with a placeholder video so you can see the structure in context. Next, click directly on the video area in the new section to select it. When you hover over the video, look for the pencil icon that appears. This is the edit control. Click the pencil to open the video's edit panel. In that panel, choose Replace to swap out the default media. Then select Upload File to bring in your own video from your computer. Navigate to your file, confirm the selection, and let Squarespace handle the upload and processing. While the file uploads, a few quick tips for best results. Use a web-friendly MPOR encoded with H.264 or H.265. Aim for 1080p unless you truly need higher resolution, and keep the file size optimized with a tool like Handbrake so your page loads quickly. Shorter clips tend to perform better on mobile, and a descriptive file name will help you stay organized as your media library grows. Once the upload completes, the placeholder will switch to your video in the canvas. Give it a moment to process so playback looks smooth. In the same edit panel, you'll typically see options relevant to your chosen layout. Use them to fine-tune how the video appears and aligns with your text without changing the steps you just completed. That's it. You've added a new video section, selected a pre-made layout, opened the video editor, replaced the default clip, and uploaded your own file. Preview your page to make sure the pacing, audio, and framing feel right on desktop and mobile. With that, your Squarespace page now features a polished video that supports your message.